Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ MOBIUZ EX321UX 31.5-inch 4K 144Hz mini LED display. So friend, BenQ is giving finishing touch to new MOBIUZ EX321UX planar gaming monitor, and this 31.5-inch monitor features mini LED backlighting with 1152 local dimming zones, and the display features an IPS panel offering 4K Ultra HD at 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond GTG response time, and the panel features 10 bits per cell color with 99% coverage of Adobe RGB and DCI-P3. Besides the 1152 local dimming zone, the panel features a maximum brightness of 1000 cadmium per meter square, and display input include DisplayPort 2.1, 3 HDMI 2.1, and USB 3.2 Type-C. The USB port is not used for display but rather just a USB hub. The monitor features HDMI eARC audio return channel and one of its 3 HDMI 2.1 port with support for 7.1 channel audio output that support Dolby Atmos and DTS. BenQ is accepted to formally launch the display sometime in May. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.